Hello everybody, how are you? Warmly welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. Hope everyone will be in happy mood with their families. Dear viewers, as like before, today also we brought something special for your crocheting ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about modern crochet dresses. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for crochet dressing. Dear viewers, first of all, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe it now. Press bell icon also. If found it helpful, don't forget to share and like the video so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Modern crochet dresses combine the art of crochet with fashion, offering numerous benefits. Here are some benefits of wearing or making a modern crochet dresses. The first and the main one is unique style. Crochet dresses are often one of a kind, offering a distinctive look that stands out. Custom fit. Crochet dresses can be made to your exact measurement, ensuring a personalized fit. Breathable fabric. The open wave of crochet allows for air circulation, making these dresses breathable and comfortable, especially in warmer weather. Sustainable. Crochet dresses made from eco-friendly yarn help support sustainability and reduce waste compared to fast fashion. Lightweight. Crochet dresses are typically lightweight, making them easy to wear and perfect for layering. Versatile design. Crochet can be combined with other fabrics and embellishment, offering a range of modern design for casual to elegant. Comfortable. Soft, high-quality yarn provide comfort without compromising on style, making them wearable all the day. Timeless appeal. With their blend of tradition and modern flair, crochet dresses remain stylish year after year. Perfect for special occasion. Crochet dresses with intricate design can be perfect for wedding parties or other formal events. Eco-friendly materials. Using natural fibers like cotton, bamboo, or wool reduce environmental impact. Customization. You can choose your preferred color, pattern, and texture, making your dress entirely unique. Breathable for hot weather and winter. The open stitches make crochet dresses ideal for warm climate and winter also, keeping you cool and comfortable. Durability. Quality crochet work, especially with sturdy yarn, can make these dresses long-lasting. Feminine and elegant. Crochet dresses often have a delicate feminine look, adding elegance to your wardrobe. Easy to care for. Depending on the yarn used, crochet dresses can be easy to wash and maintain, with some machine washable. Layering option. Crochet dresses can be worn alone or layered with jacket, cardigans, or accessories to different looks. Creative expression. Crocheting your own dress allows for creative freedom in design, turning it to a true expression of your style. Great for all seasons. Modern crochet dresses come in a variety of weight, situation, for summer as well as cooler weather with added layered. Perfect for casual or formal look. Crochet dresses can be dressed up or down, making them suitable for both casual wear and special occasion. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like, so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful crocheting collections. Fashionable yet comfortable. You got the best of both, the ethic appeal of crochet combined with the comfort of soft, relaxed fit. Minimalist look. A crochet dress often combine a minimalist aesthetic that works well with modern fashion trends. Lightweight for travel. Their lightweight makes crochet dresses ideal for packing when traveling, as they don't take up much space. Perfect for layering. Crochet dresses pair beautifully with leggings, tights, or long sleeves underneath for extra warmth or texture. Handmade appeal. Whether bought or made yourself, a crochet dress has the charm and warmth of handmade craftsmanship. Improvement through craft. Creating your own crochet dresses can give a sense of accomplishment and empowerment through craftsmanship. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video with another very smart and unique idea. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.